Why should you service your Nissan at the dealership? No one knows your Nissan better than Nissan. Trust our factory-trained technicians to deliver expert service and advice on how to care for your vehicle. Our advanced diagnostic equipment helps us identify and address any service issues in the quickest time possible. Precision-engineered, genuine Nissan parts deliver unparalleled fit, performance, and safety. Plus, they come with a Nissan-backed 12-month, 12,000-mile limited warranty. It's quick and easy to schedule your service appointment with us online. Using your smartphone, your computer, or your tablet, schedule your maintenance or repair services at a time that works for you. So why service at the dealership? Factory-trained staff, advanced diagnostics, and genuine Nissan parts.
Lee Johnson Auto.